in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Today is a very important activity, especially for the local HS community, the city officials, the Kanunay Ascenso Ozamis administration, headed of course by our very dynamic mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Go Fuentes. Acknowledgements to the officials. And of course, our respected honorable city councilors, we have with us this morning, Honorable City Councilor Sancho San Uminam. The Honorable City Councilor Dinky Suizo. Honorable City Councilor Attorney Danielle Lau. And the last but not the least, Honorable City Councilor Lordy Fuentes City Press. Of course, we have also acknowledge Attorney Francis Solita of the City Legal Office. And yes, a motivation and inspiration, especially to the young chess players, the young chess enthusiasts, joining today and tomorrow's tournament, of course, held here at the Ozamas City Gymnasium. Headed, of course, GM Eugene Torre, our Grandmaster. Thank you very much for listening to this event, sir. GM Jason Gonzalez. Grandmaster Darwin Lino. Grandmaster Danielle Quizon. And of course, the first and only woman Grandmaster, WGM Janelle Frana. We also have joining us here this morning. I am Michael Concho. I am Christian Arca. I am Ronald Bangkod. I am Rolando Nolte. I am Kim Young, and of course our AGM and event organizer of the Ascenso Ozamis Open Chess Tournament, Engineer Ray Orbestundo, and of course the members of the Olympiad Philippine Ladies Team. WIM Bernadette Galas. WIM Jodeline Fronda. WIM Shania May Mendoza. And the last but not the least, FM Roel Canino. Once again, welcome to Ozamas City. To officially welcome us all, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome with a big round of applause the very dynamic mayor and ever supportive of chess tournaments such as this. Let us all welcome with a big round of applause the Honorable City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Go Fuentes.
In behalf, thank you, Ma'am Dazzle. In behalf of all Ozamistos, Governor Henry S. Waminal of our party list, our national representative of the Ascenso Pinoy, Attorney Henry Indy Waminal Jr., our second district representative, Congressman Sancho Fernando F. Waminal, I welcome you all for today's event. The city of Ozamis is proud to host the Ascenso Ozamis Open Chess Tournament. Today marks the opening salvo of our week-long celebration for the 77th Charter Day of the city of Ozamis. This also involves the Nuestra Señora de la Inmaculada Concepción y Triunfo de la Cruz de Minpangin. This is our patroness, because Ozamis City started out from a fort created along Pangil Bay and protected by our patroness. July 16, and that would be next Friday, marks the day it was brought here, and since 1750s has protected the city. Once again, it is with great pride and deep joy that the city of Ozamis hosts this landmark tournament. This is the 5th, while it is also referred to as the 4th Governor S. Waminal tournament. This is the 5th time that this has happened in the city and in the province of Misamis Occidental, that it is now officially sanctioned by the FIDE. Indeed, this is an accomplishment on the part of our Misamisons. For this event, we are honored to welcome such celebrated and respected figures in the Philippine chess, recognized not only nationally but also acknowledged worldwide. For that, we have Grandmaster Eugene Torre, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez, Grandmaster Joey Antonio, Grandmaster Darwin Lilo, Grandmaster Daniel Quezon, International Master Michael Concho, International Master Ronald Nolte, International Master Roland Bangko. I had it should be Ronald Bangko rather than Roland Nolte. International Master Stephen Yam, Women's Grandmaster Janelle Faye Trainan, and International Master Bernadette Salas, International Master Joey Fronda, and FIDE Master Ruel Canino. For those I did not mention, I apologize for that, but you are all welcome here. We also welcome the delegates from the various provinces in Region 10 who are here present today. Your presence here is indeed awe-inspiring, not just to Ozamisnos, but to countless chess enthusiasts and aficionados, young and old, from every strata of society, yearning for chess to be a way of life. For if chess is a way of life, if you adopt chess as a philosophy, if you have respect to the one in front of you, respect because He is a fellow human being. He has a mind also. Even at that point in time that he may be lesser than you or you are better than him, the fact is he has a chance to improve and he has a chance to do unto you what you would intend to do unto him. The second rule for this philosophy is to think before moving. Why think before moving? Because you have to have foresight. You have to have vision beforehand. You have to think 8 times, 10 times beforehand. And the third of this is your emotional control. You should restrain your anger, neither should you be impatient. In the game of chess and in the game of life, if you are angry, you count, as the old saying goes, if you are angry, you count up to 10. If you are very angry, you count up to 100. And that is to steel yourself and make you regain your equanimity. Defeating word for this is in Filipino, and that is, huwag kang magpadala sa bugso ng iyong damdamin. But I'm already digressing, no? Today is for the opening, and let us welcome all participants, coaches, officials, guests. Welcome all ug maayong pag-abot kaninyong tanan. May this tournament be filled with remarkable moves, with great memories, but most important of all, the bond of lasting friendship. Let us not celebrate chess as just a way of life, as a game of life, but rather a way of life and unified in the bond of lasting friendship. Once again, Padayon Kanunay Asenso Osamis, good morning to all.
Thank you very much, Mayor Sam, for that very warm welcome. So atong i-echo welcome ni Mayor Sam sa tanan. Sa tanan atong mga guests, mga importanteng bisita, all the players and all the visitors, once again, welcome to Ozamis City. We will now proceed with the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, a message to be delivered by the Executive Director and Secretary General of NCFP. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome with a big round of applause, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Nagulat ako kasi nagkapan ako ngayong umaga. By the way po, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan na ating puting mayor po, Mayor Sam Huertas po, at kanyang mga kasama po sa probinsya, at si Governor Henry Omeal po, at sa mga nag-organize po nito, si Sir Ray Orbistondo at ang mga kasama niya. Sa mga kasama ko po, mga Grandmaster, mga national team po natin na babae, ako'y nagagalak sa araw na to sapagkat kami po mismo nag-witness ng pinakamagandang programa ng chess sa isang probinsya. I believe this is the 5th time at parang taon-taon ay inaganap po at pinupuntahan po ng mga bata from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, kasama po yung ating mga national team. So kaya po yung ating tema ng ating tournament, Asenso Osamis Open Chess Tournament, saka po yung The Philippine Battle of Champions. Talaga po mga champion po nandito, kaya po yung maglalaro at ang manonood ay champion din po sa kanilang mga champions in their own right. So, marami kong noon mga may naglalaro madalas, mga tournament, ang inspirasyon na binibigay ng ating mga champions, lalo po ang ating kampyonato, ating champions, Grandmaster Eugene Torre, ay talagang nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga bata na ituloy ang pangarap na dito po sa larangan ng chess, mayroon po tayong sadyang talino na angkin na pwede natin ilaban sa buong mundo. Kaya itong programang ito ng ating Osamis Province ay talagang lumalalim at nagbibigay ng pundasyon para sa darating na kabataan na magbibigay sa atin ng karangalan sa ating bandera. Maraming salamat po at on behalf of National Chess Federation of the Philippines, sa kalan po ng ating Prospero A.K. Pichay Jr. ay kami po yung nagagalak dahil sa isang pinakamagandang pong programa na naganap po sa ating bansa. Maraming po salamat.
We are very lucky, no, I should say blessed, that he is with us this morning today. And he has graced this very important event for the local chess community, especially the youth joining today in tomorrow's games, for a motivational message. Although I should say his presence alone in this event is a motivation. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor to welcome a true legend in the world of chess, Asia's first Grandmaster, a trailblazer who has brought pride to the Philippines across decades of international competitions, a symbol of excellence, discipline, and dedication to the sport. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome with our loudest of applause, Grandmaster Eugene Torre.
Good morning sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga kapwa chess players at mga organizers, and of course sa lahat ng ating mga opisyales na very, very supportive sa ating pa-chess tournament. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, minsan pagka hindi ako preparado, ginagawa ko na lang, kumakanta na lang ako. Kasi yung meron akong kanta yung isulong mo, pero hindi ko nakakantahin yon. Pero merong mensahe doon na gusto ko inuulit-ulit yung mensahe na ang chess ay parang buhay, ang bawat pyesa ay may kanya-kanyang katangian. Kalimutan ko na. Ang chess ay parang buhay, ang bawat pyesa ay may kanya-kanyang katangian, at para makamtan natin ang inaasam-asam na tagumpay, Pilipino, panahon ng magkaisa para maisulong natin ang tamang tina. Ayun ay mensahe. At nasasabi ko yan kasi dito sa Misamis Occidental, sa Osamis City, ay nararamdaman ko yung unity ng mga opisyales. Kasama na, of course, sa pangunguna ng ating butihing Governor, Henry Waminal, and yung kanyang mga anak na congressmen, suportado lahat, and of course, yung ating mayor, na gwapong mayor, very supportive. So lahat yan sila, Mayor Sam Puentes. So lahat ng mga opisyalis dito, nakikita ko, ay very supportive. Ngayon, alam niyo, parati ko kasi kinukompare ang buhay sa chess o ang chess sa buhay. Sa chess kasi, kung i-compare ko sa chess dito, very, very active at mga pyesa, ayan ay ating mga opisyales. Kaya very supportive ang mga opisyales dito. Kasama na si Engineer Orbis Tondo, doon sa palakpakan natin. Kasama na yung mga assistants mo dahil hindi naman magiging successful si Orbis Tondo kung wala siyang magagaling na mga assistants. And then, of course, ayan din yung mga assistants ng ating mga opisyales. Hindi naman sila magiging successful kung walang magagaling na mag-a-assist sa kanila. So, dito nakikita ko talaga. Pero alam niyo ba, sa chess, ang sabi nga ni Philidor, isang magaling na player 100 years ago, ang sabi niya, the pawns are the soul of chess. Ang ibig sabihin nun, sa ating pagtitipon ngayon, ang mga piones ay ang mga players. Kayo mga players, so palakpakan ninyo, sarili nyo. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, nagiging successful lang ang mga opisyales natin kung kayo mismo ay in unity, pinapakita natin yung galing ninyo. Hindi lang yung tirada sa chess, kundi yung tirada din natin sa buhay. Very important kasi, sa chess kasi, sports yan eh. Kaya nga, pagka-sports, discipline. So, very important na disiplinado tayo. Kasi sports yan eh. Hindi na pwede yung yung mga bisyo-bisyo. Kailangan disiplinado talaga to excel. Ako, nadidisiplina din ako ng asawa ko. Kaya nakakatulong din. Yung mga dinidisiplina ng asawa, dapat i-welcome nyo yan. Lalong-lalo na sa inyong kabutihan din. Malaking tulong yan. Ever since na nadisiplina ko yung sarili ko through chess, gumanda yung pakiramdam ko. Sa totoo lang, may edad na ako eh. Pero buti na lang, there was a time kasi, maganda yung mga moves ko sa chessboard, pero blunder ang mga moves ko sa buhay. There was a time nagsigarilyo din ako. There was a time nag-inom-inom din ako. Alam ba ninyo, yung lalo na nung teenager pa, yung mga gawain na hindi maganda. At dumating ang time, nagkasakit ako. Buti na lang, naliwanagan ako. Ang sabi ko sa sarili noon, kasi halos isang linggo, hindi ako makatayo. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ka ba naman, Eugene? Ang galing-galing ng tirada mo sa chessboard, pero blunder ka naman sa buhay. Okay? So very important na kung ano yung natutunan natin sa chess, very important na i-apply natin sa buhay. Witness ako dyan eh. Nung ginagawa ko na yung mga tamang moves, kain ng mga healthy food, maganda tulog, walang bisyo, abay gumanda yung ko. Gumanda ang buhay, naging positibo. 73 years old na ako. Kung hindi siguro ako nag-ingat, baka wala na ako dito. Hindi nyo na ako natitinig na nagsasalita dito. So very important, sana tayong mga chess players, ma-apply natin sa buhay yung natutunan natin sa chess. Okay? Yun ang mas importante. Kaya nga ang chess, ang sports, ang tawag nila, discipline. So kailangan disiplinado tayo. Ipakita natin tayo mga chess players, dahil sa paglalaro natin ng chess, ay disiplinado tayo. In that way, gaganahan yung mga opisyales, yung mga private sectors na sumuporta sa chess. Pag nakita nila na tayong mga chess players ay hindi lang disiplinado during the game, but most especially during yung sa buhay natin. Okay? Of course, gusto kong kasabay ko kanina sa kotse si Grandmaster Quezon, si I.M. Arca, at saka si I.M. Concio, I.M. Candidate Arca. Abay, nakikita ko mga kabataan natin yan, magagaling na mga kabataan. Naalala ko kasi nung panahon ko, doon ako sa Europe, almost 1 year ako doon. Wala man tournaments dito. Kailangan, para maging grandmaster ako, doon ako mag-campaign sa Europe. Abay, yung isa ata, 20 years old, yung isa 15 lang, si Arcata 15 or 16. At tapos itong si 20 rin ata, 20 rin itong si Concio. Abay, inat ko yung taon nila, yung tatlong edad nila. Abay, mas matanda pa rin pala ako. Walang hiya. Ganun na pala ako katanda. So, itong mga bata natin, ang mga players, sila ang future natin. Of course, tuloy-tuloy din. Itong si Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez, naging Grandmaster muna bago niya nag-focus sa development ng Philippine chess. Palakpakan natin si Jason. Noon, hindi pa masyadong maayos. Alam niyo ba, naging Grandmaster yan? Nangutang-utang muna sa mga kapatid niya para makabiyahe, para maging Grandmaster. Ganon yung pagmamahal sa chess. Wala pa kasi noon masyado yung Philippine Sports Commission. Hindi pa masyadong active sa pagsuporta. Ngayon, very supportive na rin ang Philippine Sports Commission. Kaya nakakapagpadala na tayo ng mga players abroad. At si Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez, magaling mag-ano doon sa Philippine Sports Commission. Magaling magkulit para makuha natin yung suporta. Palakpakan natin si Jason Gonzalez. And then of course, alam nyo ba, itong 5 babae na ito na maglalaro dito, abay number 1 sa Group B doon sa World Chess Olympiad last year. Palakpakan natin. Headed by, hindi ko na isa-isahin yung basta itong 5 cute na babae dito. Cute sila pero malulupit ang tirada. Nag-top sila sa B section. 5 sections kasi sa Olympiad May A, may B, may C, may D, may E. According to ratings, doon tayo sa B. Nag-top sila sa B group. Palakpakan natin. Sikat ang Pilipinas doon sa Olympiad dahil sa performance nila. Anyway, hindi ko na itatagal. On behalf na lang ng Philippine Chess, nagpapasalamat ako dito sa probinsya ng Misamis Occidental at sa city ng Osamis sa full support ninyo. Lahat pati mga empleyado, very supportive. Natutuwa talaga ako. At sana, very good example kasi ang Misamis Occidental at Osamis City na sana kayahin sila sa buong Pilipinas. Para maganda kasi ang pinapakita talaga nila. Ayun na lang, bumaba na yung salita ko. Thank you very much. And mabuhay kayo. Win or lose, panalo na tayo. Okay? Kasi sinisigaw ng wife ko eh. Kailangan i-special mention yung mga parents. Mga parents, thank you very much sa suporta ninyo. Lalong-lalo na yung mga bata. Bakit ko sinasabi yan? Ganon kasi ang kayaman ako kung ano man yung na-achieve ko ay dahil sa mga parents ko. Maganda ang suporta ng mga parents ko. Minsan nga ang biro eh. Sabi ng mami ko, Te, sabi niya doon sa daddy ko, Te, wala na kita pagkaon. Kung may sweldo ka, ginapakal mo na ng isang chess books. Ang ibig sabihin, wala na raw kami pagkain kasi every time na may sweldo, binibili ng daddy ko ng chess books. Pero ano lang yun, biro lang ng mami ko yun. Pero that shows to you how dedicated yung family namin doon sa larong chess. Okay? Mabuhay! Thank you very much! Mabuhay! God bless!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the man himself, the Grandmaster, Eugene Torre. Mga young chess aficionados, mga young chess players na to. Anong natutunan niyo? What have you learned from the motivational message of Grandmaster Torre? Unsa inyong nakatunan, especially ito mga aspiring pa mga masters, chess masters? Sabi ni GM Torre, if you were listening, dapat kung ano yung natutunan niyo sa chess, dapat i-apply niyo sa buhay. So kung gaano daw kayo kadisiplinado sa chess, dapat ganon din kayo sa life. So take that from Asia's first ever Grandmaster and Hall of Famer. Once again, Grandmaster Eugene Torre. Sir, thank you very much. Okay, so for the oath of sportsmanship, once again, let me present to you and let us all welcome with a big round of applause. First and only woman Grandmaster, WGL, Chanel May Frayna.
I raise your right hand, but I forgot. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, Janelle May Frayna. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all the rules of the games, that I will respect all the decisions of the arbiters, and I will act at all times as true sportsman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God.
Players, you can now take your seats. We'll now proceed with the closing remarks as we officially close this morning's program to start off with events or the games for the Ascenso Zawis Open Chess Tournament. So ladies and gentlemen, join me. Put your hands together and let's give it up for the Honorable City Councilor Sancho Sani Wominal Jr. for the closing remarks.
Salamat, Ma'am Dassel. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao players, good morning. Hala, are we all excited? Wow, may nanino. Hindi kayo masaya dito? Are we all ready? Okay, so because my task is to close the program, allow me to acknowledge the 4 pillars here in our province, Misamis Occidental. Dati ito ang last tournament dito sa Osamis. 3 pa sila. Ngayon 4 na. Dito niyo makita kung gaano kaasenso ang Osamis City, ang province sa Misamis Occidental. Pakpakan natin. Okay, so I would like to acknowledge first, though they are not around, no? Palakpakan natin sila. Si Go Hidre, pakpakan natin. Congressman Sanso Fernando Ando Waminar, palakpakan natin si Congressman. Itong isang congressman namin, dati mayor ito, si Mayor Indy. Dito niyo nakita ko paano pag-asenso. Naging asenso siya, ngayon naging congressman. Ang aming congressman sa Asenso Pinoy Party List, Congressman Henry Indy F. Waminar Jr. Yung pang-4 namin, nakita ninyo, mabait ito. He's a lawyer. 6 years din siya nagserbisyo as administrator namin. Attorney Sam Fuentes, pagpakat din. Likewise, my colleagues at plenary hall, please stand up to be recognized. Honorable Dingue Suiso, Honorable Lorly Fuentes, nasaan na ba yung iba? Siguro may ibang tournament na sinasalihan sila. Yung mga kasamahan ko, headed by Vice Mayor Bebinirin, palakpakan natin sila. Likewise, yung ating Grandmaster, si Eugene Torres. Sir, may itatanong lang ako sa iyo, sir. Okay lang ba sa iyo? How are you related to Chief PNP, General Torre? Kano-ano mo si Torre, yung PNP Chief natin? Pinsan. Yan pala. Hindi dapat tayo matakot kasi kapamilya niya yung PNP Chief natin, si General Torre. Likewise, yung field commander natin sa Osamis, si Sir Abilinusa. Sir, lahat ng mga PNP personnel at palakpakan natin sila. And also, ang ating chief organizer dito sa Osamis, si Sir Ray Orbistondo. Sir, lahat ng mga cheese masters natin, did not to mention their names dahil na-mention na ni Eugene Torre. Guys, dito sa amin, lahat ng mga pillars, very supportive. Lahat ng mga sports, particularly sa ating cheese. So, dati, sa sinabi ko sa inyo, na ang pillars nito ay 3, ngayon 4 na. So, kay 4, baka nag-increase ng konti ang inyong premium, mga prices natin. Nung palakpakan naman sila, pag hindi kayo pumapalakpak, walang additional. At tayo, yan na, pumapalakpak. Okay, so because my task is only to close, the only words I could say, good luck and may God bless us all. Have a nice day, everyone.